Meaning of Grenadian.
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 Grenadian. Grenadian refers to something or someone that is from Grenada, a small island country located in the southeastern Caribbean Sea. Grenada is known for its natural beauty, including tropical forests, beaches, and waterfalls. The country also has a rich history, with influences from French and British colonizers as well as African slaves who were brought over to work in the sugar plantations. Today, Grenadian culture is a fusion of these different influences, resulting in a unique blend of music, food, and traditions. Overall, Grenadian refers to the people, culture, and history of Grenada.